User management is where an administrator can manage all relying party users. It empowers an admin to oversee the user activity and to see further information details such as when the user last logged in, what authenticators are used to log in, when were they registered, and what machine ID was used. Here an admin can disable or delete the user to prevent future login. User management is located per application in that section of the control center. Select which relying party application you want to see the user activity for, and then select the user management section in the left panel. Select the user you want to manage from the user list. Please see the relevant terms and definitions. User is the username of the user. In the case of workstation users, it is the username of the user which is used to log in. In the case of a web application, it is the email ID of the user. Mobile devices. This is the name of the device used to log in. It can be an iPhone, Android, YubiKey, or multiple devices. Last login. This is the last time the user logged into the workstation or web application. Date created. This is the first time the user has registered the device to the workstation or web application. Delete. Clicking delete will revoke the user's ability to log into the workstation or web application. It is an irreversible action and cannot be undone. The deleted user must register again after an administrator has performed a delete action. The user details user interface. Clicking on a user in the main table row will expand the row into a detailed table. If the user has registered with multiple devices and machines, all of the details will be displayed in their own section. Machines. The machine name is the name of the relying party associated with the web application or the name of the workstation registered with HYPR. The machine type describes the type of relying party the application or workstation represents. The machine ID displays the unique identifier associated with the relying party app or workstation. Devices. The device name represents the type of authenticator device or devices that the user has registered with this relying party or workstation. The values identify the manufacturer of the smart key, smartphone, or the browser type and platform manufacturer when using built-in platform authenticators. Mobile OS describes the operating system of the authenticator when using a smartphone. The device ID displays the unique identifier of the FIDO authenticator registered for the web application or workstation. The FIDO ID displays the unique identifier of the FIDO authenticator registered with HYPR. Last active displays the date and time of the most recent successful authentication with HYPR. Date created displays the date and time that the FIDO authenticator was registered with HYPR. Please review the recommended next training video for issuing recovery pins.